Hello, this is Shaurya Gupta, and I have taken this course of 30 days coding, and I think it was by Aryan Singh. I got it from an Instagram post, and it includes like 17 courses for a fair price of 1,000. I think like I have done some of the courses. Like this is me doing a very recent venture to this type of courses. And I believe that these courses are somewhat, uh, you know, the starting point of someone who has not started his coding journey yet, because it actually has more content than any other course that, you know, in this price point can offer you. And honestly, if you complete this course, which I think is very hard because you have all these niches and you cannot decide to which niche you want to. But I would suggest everyone to just go for it and have every course, like learn everything. If you are in like if you have time, obviously. If you are buying this for a particular thing, then I will suggest you to, go for their other courses like which has niches in them. But I believe this is a good course. I find it very good. And yeah, like combining it with the practice I can do on other web platforms, I think this gives me an edge to actually, you know, have a starting point rather than, being stuck. And it has all the pre-recorded lectures so I can easily just learn. And yeah, I believe that this was the best 1,000 rupees I've spent on a course rather than buying Udemy के बहुत सारे courses. I think it is better because it actually is in Hindi also. I think that's a plus point for Indians because no matter how much you can actually learn in English, there is a kind of a limit to what you understand. So I believe कि इंग्लिश से हटके हिंदी में कोर्सेज सीखना इज वेरी बेटर एंड विजुअलाइजेशन में भी हेल्प करता है. So that is all for me. I would believe कि if you have that amount of money, 1,000 rupees, to actually have some courses, so please you have to invest in this because I think they have some niche like specific courses which are very good for you. And I would believe that I have not seen like that niche course everywhere. I would be very surprised. I would be very happy if they actually included like somewhat UX design courses, which I am personally into, and maybe like game designing and other stuff. But yeah, 999 the offer is pretty good, and yes, I would recommend you guys buying it.